The 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger 4x4 is currently on auction for $22,500, and it's a prime example of why vintage Ford trucks are so sought after. We'll explore its specs, features, history, and see how it stacks up against its original price. First, let's talk about the basics. This 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger 4x4 with VIN F14 SLEG 4123 is an American classic with a distinctive aqua exterior color. It's a standard cab pickup that's really showing its age with 170,851 miles on the clock. Inside, you'll find a green interior that adds to its vintage charm. Under the hood, this F-150 is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission. This setup provides the kind of torque and power that made these trucks so popular back in the day. The Ranger trim means you're getting a truck with a bit more flair and comfort than the base models, even though this one features a standard layout with just one seat. Now, let's take a step back in time. The Ford F-150 first hit the market in 1975, and by 1979, it was already becoming a staple of American truck culture. The F-150 was Ford's response to the growing demand for a tougher, more reliable work truck that could handle off-road adventures and heavy-duty tasks. The 1979 model year was particularly significant because it represented the end of the second generation of the F-Series trucks, leading to the redesigns of the 1980s. In 1979, the base model of the F-150 Ranger 4x4 was priced around $6,000. Adjusted for inflation, that would be roughly $25,000 today. So, this $22,500 asking price for a well-maintained example seems quite reasonable, especially considering the price of classic trucks has been on the rise. Let's talk about features. This particular Ranger 4x4 doesn't come with modern power options or advanced features, but it does offer a clean vehicle title and a robust 4WD system that's perfect for off-roading or tackling tough terrain. Its automatic transmission ensures that driving this classic truck is as enjoyable as it is nostalgic. The 360 CID engine is known for its durability and ample power, making it a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate the ruggedness and reliability of these older models. Even though this truck doesn't come with the bells and whistles of modern vehicles, it has a timeless appeal that's hard to beat. In comparison to other classic trucks, this 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger 4x4 stands out for its originality and well-preserved condition. It's a rare find in such good shape, and it's priced competitively considering the rising value of vintage vehicles. So, what do you think? Is the 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger 4x4 a classic you'd want to add to your collection? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.